Now, Mufti Mohammad Saeed-led PDP-BJP coalition takes charge in the valley, but within hours after swearing in, the new chief minister courts controversy. He credits Pakistan, Hurriyat leaders and terrorists for peaceful polling in the valley, drawing severe criticism from political parties.
I, Mufti Mohammad Saeed, do swear in the name of God that I will bear
a watershed moment in Indian history.
And allegiance to the Constitution of India.
A sight many thought would be a distant dream for the Saffron Party, even until December last year.
बीजेपी यहाँ बहुत ही बड़ा कम्युनल एजेंडा चला रही है। सबसे पहली बात तो वो बार-बार 370 का जिक्र करती है।
But these pictures from inside the Zorawar Auditorium in Jammu on Sunday morning marked the beginning of a new chapter in Indian history.
I, Sajjad Ghani Lone, do swear in the name of Allah that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of the state.
It was Vajpayee's leadership which started this entire movement for bringing together different parties, political parties, and trying to make them agree on a certain program, which was committed to the people of the country and the people of the nation.
But beyond the bonhomie lies an undercurrent. A host of ideological differences they can't deny. 4 issues and an uneasy alliance. A few minutes later, it exploded.
हुर्रियत है और मिलिटेंट है, खुदा न खास्ता अगर वो इसको कुछ करते, कुछ ऐसा काम करते, इतना चुनाव नहीं होता, लोगों का पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं होता.
Controversy on day one, and there was more in store.
जब मैं कहता हूं हुर्रियत को सेपरेटिस्ट को भी ऑन बोर्ड ले लीजिए, you have a viewpoint, address to them, engage them. जो मेरे मेन स्ट्रीम के लोग हैं, उनको भी इकट्ठे we have to become inclusive.
2 points of view, and it wasn't just controversy, but even divergence on display on day one.
2 different parties coming together and forming a government. And I think whatever these ABC parties are there, they'll get sidelined.
But Mr. Mufti, did this attack on Arnia in the middle of elections last year lead to conducive atmosphere? Mr. Mufti, do these pictures from Tral add to a conducive atmosphere? Mr. Mufti, was this blast in Bandipur carried out by Pakistani elements adding to the conducive atmosphere you're talking about? Mr. Mufti, how was Pakistan letting elections happen by plotting this terror attack through terrorists in Uri during elections?
Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir State outsourced Indian elections to Pakistan's ISI, Pakistani militants and the Hurriyat. I mean, it is utterly amazing.
Spare a thought, Mr. Mufti Saeed, for the men and women of your own state who came out to vote. Spare a thought for the Election Commission. And spare a thought, Mr. Mufti, for our armed forces. Many of them who laid down their lives to ensure your state gives its mandate that led you to power today. Bureau Report, Times Now.